I'm going to talk about the muscles concerned with the elbow joint. So first I'm going to start with the coracobrachialis. The coracobrachialis originates from the coracoid process, which we can see here, then inserts into the medial humerus around here. The next one is the biceps brachii. Biceps brachii is broken down into short head and long head. So the short head of the biceps brachii originates also from the coracoid process, and then the long head inserts into or originates from the supraglenoid tubercle. They both insert into the radial tuberosity, which you can see here. Next I'm going to move on to the brachialis. The brachialis originates from the distal humerus, and then it goes to the coronoid process, which we can see here, and then to the ulnar tuberosity here. Next I'm going to move on to the triceps brachii. The triceps brachii long head is the infraglenoid tuberosity. It then moves down into the posterior humerus, which is here, and then into the olecranon process, which you can see here in the skeleton. Next is the brachioradialis. It originates from the lateral supracondylar ridge, and it inserts into the distal portion of the radius, which moves the whole way down here. Next is the pronator teres muscle. It originates from the medial epicondyle here. Then it goes to the coronoid process, so it comes across to the coronoid process, and then right across into the medial radius. Next is the supinator. Supinator muscle starts from the lateral epicondyle. It goes to the crest of the ulna, and then moves its way down right and across, because that will help it turn into the radial shaft. Next one I'm going to do is the anconeus. This helps to extend the elbow. The anconeus starts from the lateral epicondyle here, and it inserts into the olecranon process. The pronator quadratus originates from the distal ulna, which is here, and then it inserts into the radius here. So pronator quadratus just comes across the wrist like here. The last muscle I'm going to talk about is the palmaris longus. Palmaris longus starts from the medial epicondyle, and then it works the whole way down the arm and inserts into the palmar aponeurosis, which is just in the palm here, and also into the flexor ranitialum, which is just around the palmar aponeurosis.